National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 170, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday.
CJ Papa Fox News.
Montgomery, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest.
The tech industry. I'm Lisa Lacera.
Significant hail damage is being reported in several communities. Tornado watches underway from areas just south of Dallas to Waco to north of Austin. And we've had tornado warnings in and around the Waco area. And significant hail has been falling in those areas.
Here it comes.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 170, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Jasper, Newton, and Tyler. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's totally 170. That's me, the show. Woo! We got activated. TOA.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch in effect until 1 a.m. for Montgomery County. It also includes Grimes, Walker, and Washington to the northern part of the viewing area. But again, that is in effect until 1 a.m. for Montgomery County, the tornado watch coming down from the National Weather Service. And this concludes the activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
I got fucked. Jay Backer. It's not that I'm first. That bad TOA. Today they expire. You have to do this. Yeah. Yeah, just what it is. Huh? Expire, so the SVR. Yes! SVR is not doing what to do. Special weather say upon out. Last week. Oh no. Right here. Right now. The SVR to come here right now.
track since East Friday. Okay, that's pretty good pick. So Joe Biden is their big kid. Go over and know something for me. Like, finish the Grand Avenue. And that's the book. And that's the thing he started. Every point say, what he has done. He said that he was stopping Republicans from stopping black people voting or something, which we can always have. Black people will not stop voting by replacement. That is absurd. And he said that he was stopping them. They overthrow them. The underage protesters who were essentially a separate country war, who went into the Capitol building, going back to left, to go to jail. The ones who were actually violent were morons got arrested. And then within a couple of hours, the election was certified. Every time people were wandering in, they knew that it wasn't actually illegal because the cops were actually showing them from the building, and then some people were protesting outside. But that was a threat to the law of such dire nature, according to Joe Biden, talking about not once, but twice. Because if you don't re-elect him to finish the job now, then that means that you want those people to win. Now here's the problem. He's a bad president, and everyone knows he's a bad president. And he's super old, and everyone knows that too. Karine Jean-Pierre, world's worst press secretary, his dad is going to actually serve 8 years. In fact, they won't even put him on camera. At this point, full of something. His eyes wide, his pupils dilated, and then he proceeds to speak through his baseball.
And in the book, I don't do a complete dive into disorders of the nervous system. It doesn't dispense medical advice. And one of the reasons, and I do bang on about this in the book, is that a lot of stuff that is out there right now is not trials. And, I know there's a lot of issues right now with science, replication crisis, and, all kinds of, how peer review should be structured. But the reason we have the scientific method is because it's the only way that we've ever come up with, as humanity, to make assertions with any degree of certainty. And so, I think a lot of maps and creams and things that
Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tyler County in southeastern Texas, north central Hardin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huntington to near Chester to near Livingston, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodville, Kalamazoo, Chester, Warren, Ebenezer, Rockland, Wildwood, Ivanhoe, and Helister. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.
You? This is a victim being. And this is what the SVR'S is at 560 KLBI. And this is thank you for watching this presentation. And yeah, I'm gonna block your face, and I'm gonna block your face, and I block your voice, and how to get this thing seriously. Because I am seriously right now, and sorry successes, Louisiana. And I'm gonna challenge the top 10 as watch this warnings. Not fail with no worker.
The largest in-stock inventory of welding equipment and supplies, welding and specialty gaskets, safety supplies, and industrial tools with brands you respect, like DeWalt, ESA, Victor, Hyperthar, Lincoln, Miller, and more. Coastal Welding Supplies' experienced team is always ready to help with your selection, rental, or repair needs at one of our 12 convenient locations in Texas and Louisiana. Find yours today at coastalws.com.
Fox News, I'm Carmen Roberts. House Speaker McCarthy hobbled together enough votes Wednesday to pass a debt ceiling bill that also cut spending.
The margin was narrow, 217 to 215, with 4 Republican no votes. But Speaker McCarthy said in the end, we win the debt. We've done our job, but to hear Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer tell us the bill doesn't avert default. In fact, it only brings us dangerously closer to default.
Fox's Colonel Scott reporting. Prosecutors say National Guardsman Jack.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Tyler County in southeastern Texas, northern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Comasneo, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jasper, Woodville, Comasneo, Chester, Ebenezer, Town Bluff, Rockland, Groundle, Roganville, and Sam Rayburn Dam. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.
Diet, smoking, low on hormones, stress, sleep disorders, or your age can be supported by reducing inflammation and aiding the body to heal itself appropriately. A stem cell is a cell waiting to be told what it needs to be. If there is inflammation, that inflammation needs to be stopped. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, kidney disease, various types of cancer, depression, Alzheimer's disease, autoimmune disorders, osteoporosis, even fatty liver are chronic signs of inflammation and can be aided by supporting the body's ability to protect those cells that it needs. And that is the purpose of ImmuStem and Adaptostem together, supporting the body to be the best it can be.
Dr. Malay, how will I feel after taking Adaptostem and ImmuStem?
The ImmuStem is going to have an immediate effect, but I tell you, your immune system is starting to function better after 24 hours. You put Adaptostem along with it, and most will feel it within 30 minutes.
Order now at healthylooking.com. The Stem Cell Wellness Kit from Dr. Malay protects your body's stem cells and will make forget to enter promo code George for free shipping. George's Stem Cell Wellness Kit at healthylooking.com. That's healthylooking.com.
Consumer Cellular is the most trusted wireless brand, and they've been providing superior nationwide coverage for more than 25 years. Switch today and save up to half on your wireless bill. They offer unlimited talk and text with flexible data plans starting at just $20 a month. Their award-winning customer service team makes switching easy. You can keep your phone and number, and activation is free. Plus, you can add a family member to your plan for just $15 a month per line. Never worry about dropped calls because Consumer Cellular has the exact same coverage as the major carrier, with coverage to over 99% of the nation. And this is all backed by their 100% risk-free guarantee. Also, with Consumer Cellular, you can save up to $250 a year. Go to consumercellular.com/Nori, and for a limited time, get $25 off your wireless bill when you use promo code Nori. That's consumercellular.com/Nori, and use promo code Nori for $25 off.
If you're young and healthy, term life insurance.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 172, effective until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Hardin, Jasper, Newton, Orange and Tyler, and Sabine Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I got SVA, I'm on 72.